Honorable Jared was answered by the Honorable Osoro that there is an ADR tomorrow morning between the parties, and there is a ruling, or there is the parties, they are going to meet for a ruling on Thursday. And that is in order, Mr. Speaker. The senior Kainan has spoken about it. Am I in order, Mr. Speaker, that now we come back to the business, because there is nothing to debate more than that. Already we have been told that tomorrow there is an ADR.
Fair enough. I think enough. Wamboka, 1 minute only, 1 minute. And then we proceed on to the next. Yeah.
Honorable Speaker, I think we are taking these matters lightly, and therefore the governors are taking us lightly. Everyone knows in this republic, governors handle a lot of money, Honorable Speaker, and nothing happens. In my own county of Bungoma, we get about 14 billion from the exchequer, own revenue about 2 billion. That is about 16 billion. Honorable Speaker, in a county with 9 constituencies only, you can hardly see a project that goes beyond 10 million, Honorable Speaker. That must go on record. Yes. Honorable Speaker, that governors have gone behind our backs and discussed with the judiciary, and they have pulled out of negotiations with us, and that the judiciary is going to give its ruling on Thursday. Honorable Speaker, we must do something punitive to the governors. We must fire a shot to the governors. Honorable Speaker, we must not wait for governors to find us flat-footed, Honorable Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, beyond this, I will urge Honorable members that we need a Kamkunji tomorrow morning. We need a Kamkunji. We can no longer appropriate funds for them, first to go and loot, and then come and want more and more and more funds to loot. We cannot give them money to go and bribe their way to want to take everything from GAF, from CDF, from roads. Honorable Speaker, it is not going to be business as usual. Most of these governors are just thieves. There is nothing that they are doing with the monies that we appropriate for them. We have students who are suffering at their homes. We have schools, Honorable Speaker, that do not have anything from the counties. We are supposed to have roads. Even as we speak now, there are roads that are meant for governors to do. They are not doing these roads. They are leaving the roads for us as MPs to do them. Why are they demanding more money? So that they can continue looting? We say no. We demand a Kamkunji so that we can take a very punitive approach. Kama ni vita sisi wote ni wanasiasa na tunaweza pigana.
Okay. We will have to go to the next. I think we have... No, it's a weighty matter. DK, what exactly do you want to say? I mean, it's already been ventilated enough.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Take no more
the
than a minute.
fact that I'm also in the mediation committee, we want to state categorically, power lies in this house. What we do with that power is what makes some people outside there to love on us. Let us exercise it this time. If at all they are not going to come for the mediation, I dare say, us as this house, we start with the division of revenue bill. And that is why they will know there are men and women in this house who can actually act as per the Constitution. And the Constitution says clearly, the legislators in this house are the only ones who can appropriate money to anybody. Thank you.
The Honorable Attendee, the chair of the Budget Committee, I had asked you initially if you...
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I had some information which I would have loved to share. But in view of the impending court ruling, I'm afraid I will not be able to share it with the members. But I just want to say that there are very, very good consultations going on. involving the Ministry of Roads, involving Parliament, and even the highest office in the land. And I'm very optimistic that shortly we are going to have a solution, which is going to be helpful for members. Of course, we are determined to ensure that all the resources that are stuck are disbursed to the constituency so that the roads projects are completed. Honorable Speaker, I just wanted to persuade members that Division of Revenue Bill is a precursor for passage of supplementary estimates. So there will be no budget before we pass the Division of Revenue Bill. So let us be tolerant. Governors are very responsive. They are cooperating with us, even as we engage. So if we threaten that we will not pass Division of Revenue Bill, it means there will be no budget in the first place. So I know these are very, very weighty matters, and they are matters that touch at the heart of most of our colleagues. But let us just embrace dialogue. I know that very soon we are going to have a solution on both of those issues. So for Division of Revenue Bill, you know that we are going for mediation.